We start with reverse turn and 3 outside swivels and closed ending. The first part of routine we will do later. Man starts with left foot, forward to side, now back in CBNP, crossing lady's line and outside swivel. Now in Promenade, man will go diagonally to wall and lead lady to step and swivel. Next movement is back in CBNP and man will lead lady outside and then swivel. Back and then lead lady to swivel. And ending is closed ending. Forward in Promenade to side and close. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot, back to side. Next step will be outside partner, outside and then small swivel. Next movement will be in Promenade position with left foot, forward and then swivel. Now in opposite direction, step outside partner, swivel, and now forward in Promenade to side and close. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Let's look again. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at first part of routine, which is progressive link natural promenade turn to rock on right foot and syncopated ending. Man starts with left foot, forward to side in promenade. Now man will go diagonally to corner, to side in promenade, forward and across in promenade. Now man will go across line of lady. Lady will continue diagonally to corner. Man goes to side, then turn and to side and create lunge line. Now lady will continue moving diagonally to center. Man will go slightly more to side and do 3 rocks. And now we will both turn slightly to left with our bodies and take steps in CBNP. Back, replace, back. Next step will be to side with slight rotation to right. And now syncopated ending. Back to side and close. Now let's focus on lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot, back in CBNP to side in promenade. Now we move diagonally to center, to side in promenade, forward in promenade. Next step will be between man's feet as man goes across lady's line of movement, forward between man's feet. Now diagonally back and lunge line. Lady will continue moving diagonally to center, forward, replace, forward. Next we will do slight reverse rotation and forward, replace, forward, all 3 steps in CBNP. And now step between man's feet forward and forward to side, close. And now same steps but with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick and. Let's look again. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, and now whole routine in slow motion. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, and quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, and quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at routine to music. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.